Yep, well, there it is. Everything else going on.
Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Daring to Sharon to near Podler Grove, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sullivan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Hell Lake, Howard Lake, Como, Allen's Grove, and Sullivan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, this isn't even the front line, so that's not really possible. I mean, it's not going to produce anything. Hold up.